Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Grayson. Super busy day today. Headed off right now to do an estimate, and then I am meeting another crew on a job. We're going to be pressure washing and cleaning windows at that place. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will try to film as much as possible today. I have my drone out. It's going to be nice, so I'll try to take some cool time lapses from above for pressure washing as well. Got done at my first estimate. Came out to like $3,500. They're gonna get roof cleaning, pressure washing, gutter guards, and window cleaning. So she was in need of all of our services. So I did the estimate, and now I'm about to pass out some cards around to the houses, around the house. So we have these cards. They work really well for us. I'm gonna put like 3 or 4 of them around the houses, just on the house I did the estimate on. Hopefully get some calls from those as well. Alright, now on my way to meet the guys at our pressure washing and window cleaning job. They should be done with pressure washing on the back patios, and we'll just have the driveway and the rest of the window cleaning to do. Just finished up the pressure washing job. Now on my way to help my guys finish up for the day. It's like 4 o'clock and they still have the inside of the windows at the job they're at. So I'm gonna just help them get that done so we can all be off at a decent hour. But tonight I'm gonna possibly take the wrap off my truck. We'll see if I end up getting to it or not. But I have a couple different offers for my wrapped truck, and both of them are over what I paid for it like a year ago. So I'm gonna definitely sell the truck and then buy a sales car first, and then hold off until I have my other vehicles completely full, and then I'll buy vehicles as I need it. Today was a good day though. I had a huge driveway pressure wash, did window cleaning, and now my guys are at a window and gutter cleaning job. I have another working interview tomorrow as well, and then the interview I had on Monday, he is going to be starting on March 28th. So I have like 6 more days until my goal of being out of the field. So I would love to be able to start at least 2 more people full time and have 5 people out in the field. Thanks for watching the video today, guys. Sorry it's dark in my truck right now. I'm headed back to my house. I'm going to be editing the video tonight and then getting just stuff ready for tomorrow, sending out an estimate from today as well. I hope everybody enjoys the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.